Alright guys, I'm in my 95 Jeep XJ Sport 4.0 HO high output. Got the Racing 10 Series muffler on it, put a stainless steel header on it, customized it myself, got it dumped out right right at the axle in the back, near the axle. And for the price, I think it sounds pretty good. $100 for the header, around $50 I paid for the muffler, and I did it all myself. Wasn't too bad of a job, but took a little time. I don't know if it's going to come up as good as it does in person on the video, but it's got a great deep tone to it. I love it. I'm so happy with it. Everybody that hears it that I know, a lot of my buddies, they all compliment me on it. Everybody thinks it sounds so good. They've never heard an XJ sound this good before. There's my Jeep, guys. Got some tow hooks on it. Custom grill I painted. Got my buddy's dad to paint the Jeep for me. Bought me some nice offset ion wheels, 15x8. A good set of Kumo all-terrain tires on it. With some black custom lug covers, cover up them rusted daggone lugs. I changed my emblem, put it in the back instead of up front. It used to be a Sport there, but obviously covered that up when we painted it. I painted all my front emblem, got that right, put that on myself. Got my windows tinted recently. Tow hooks front and back. Got a good hitch. Put my 4.0 emblem back here in the back instead of where it used to be. A little monster sticker. As you can tell where I'm at right now, it definitely sounds like it's beating the ground. Definitely right here too. Need to wash it. Washed it a couple weeks ago, but it done got dirty again. Yeah, oh by the way, they're 31 1050s if I didn't say. Got it lifted about, I think it's about 4 front and 4.5 in the back. Put a little shorty antenna on it. Put some double blade wipers on it. Love them things, they last forever. Recommend them to everybody. But Runs pretty good and smooth and quiet. Can't beat it for 272,000 miles, or 73, something like that. Yep, 273. Alright guys, I'm going to ride up the road and get a little sound inside the vehicle, how it sounds. Hope you liked the video. Alright guys, well that was it. Hope you liked the video.